Hello everyone, this is Shahzad Ahmed from Technical Host. Today, we embark on a journey through galaxies to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. Galaxies are vast systems of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter bound together by gravity. They come in various shapes and sizes, each holding countless secrets of the universe. There are different types of galaxies, including spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies. Each type offers unique insights into the evolution and structure of our universe. Exploring galaxies is crucial as it helps us understand how galaxies form, evolve, and interact with each other. This knowledge is essential for unraveling the story of our cosmic origins. Through advanced telescopes and space missions, scientists have made remarkable discoveries, such as supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies and the distribution of dark matter. Looking ahead, future missions and technologies will continue to push the boundaries of our understanding. From studying exoplanets to mapping the cosmic web, there's much more to explore. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey through galaxies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technical Host for more exciting explorations of the universe. Until next time.